So everybody, we got another bikers video jumping in. We got some crashes. That was a sharp right turn sign right there. I saw that. All right, slow it down. Oh, one of our buddies did not pay attention to that sign. Make sure you guys are talking to each other so nobody has issues. Seems like a buddy who crashed is an EMT. Hey, good job. Rescue another rider, but it doesn't look like he's going to be able to rescue anybody because he is the EMT. I am number one. There we go. Sunday therapy, having some fun. We're gonna go to sharp right turn. Uh-oh, not gonna make it. Wrong lane, brake. Oh my God. Ooh, so we crashed. He's able to walk, that's good. His legs are actually moving. That means he's got circulatory system's good. His legs don't have anything broken unless adrenaline's really keeping it going. Gotta be very careful with some of these things. Whew. So Franklin Garcia, here we go. We're going to be passing on the left. We're not paying attention to the buddy in front of us, and now we just caused a severe accident and incident. We are just going to keep going through it. Pel 125. Here we go, going a little bit too fast. Somehow dodged a deer. Watch out for the second and third one. You never know. So we got a weekend adventure, having some fun here. We see some dust up ahead, but this guy's going crazy. Oh, easily a broken collarbone. Make sure you rescue that rider. We do have our rescue kits available right now. Make sure you guys grab one. 15% off again, store-wide in March. So I would be very concerned about breathing. I wouldn't worry about the bike. So I see that he has some weight on his arms, so I'm not too concerned about that collarbone anymore. But who knows? He still could. But usually when you have a broken collarbone, it's just kind of like
that bucked you.
Kind of like that. And then you can't put weight on it. Not good. Could either easily break the SC joint, sternoclavicular joint, or the acroclavicular joint, which is in your shoulder. Yeah, so you gotta be careful. A lot of shoulder injuries can happen here. Ooh, this is nice. Look at this area. Whoa! Oh, no. Thankfully, everybody's okay, and now you can laugh about it and have a story. But that could have been so bad. That could have been so bad. Wait, let's get that off the screen. All right, Masio. Oh, here we go. Having some fun. Side of the vehicle. What are we gonna do? That was a good job. Planned his ride. He saw it. He just kind of adapted a little bit. Didn't do a terrible job at all. No, this is actually really good. We got some good stuff here. Adam J going through town a little bit fast. Slow it down. Side of the vehicle. What do we do? Good job with that red stage maneuver. Got himself out of that situation. I loved it. Let's go back just a little bit. So this is definitely going to be a red stage scenario. But here's the thing. We should be in orange stage right now because look at the area. Look at everything. It's just so much. There's so much going on. So slowing it down is what I'd be doing. Covering the brakes is what I'd be doing. Making sure that I find my escape paths and plan my ride just a little bit better is what I'd be doing. So as soon as I see this side of the vehicle, that's definitely still going to perk me up and be like, now there could be something. I found something. I had a gut feeling there could be something, but now I found it. Now let's see what happens here. Oh, they're starting to move. Now we're in red stage. Activate it. Let's get out of here. We have to navigate now. We have to navigate with evasive maneuvers with this threat. So an emergency swerve is very, very good. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and swerve. Now we got to pay attention up here. We got to watch out for any other traffic coming our way because now we got to swerve back into our lane because if we don't, now we're just in the wrong lane. So don't look at the vehicle too much. Look ahead. If you stare at the vehicle, you're doing the wrong thing. You need to stare at your exit. So good job finding that escape path. It's part of the plan method. We teach that in our academy. Good job. Good freaking job. I love it. I love seeing people do what they're supposed to be doing. Let's see what happens next. All right. So psychotic heart. There you go. Oh! Why are you riding in the bike lane? Why are you riding in the bike lane? So that was a definite panic. Let's go back just a little bit. That was a definite panic. So look what we're doing here. We're riding on the right. We're not supposed to be doing that in the first place. Vehicles don't even anticipate us being in the right lane. They barely even anticipate bicyclists being in the right lane. So when we're doing this, we're not doing what we're supposed to be doing. So this is definitely just a brown stage, even starting right now. Just completely panicked, doesn't know what they're doing. We're not being smart riders, okay? We need to be situationally aware to this. So we're gonna come up to here.
Everybody's on your dick. No.
So that's the panic. So what we should have been doing is progressive brake pressure. Now the reason why we don't hang out here, just take a look at everything. Let's go and get the pen out. We have a curb here, we have a car here, and it's gonna be blocking us. What can we do? Absolutely nothing. This is why you're not supposed to do this in the first place. Mistakes happen, sure, okay? We made a mistake. We weren't supposed to do it. We did it anyways. What do? Well, hopefully you have some gear. Hopefully you have insurance. And hopefully you're not severely injured to where you're going to the hospital. That's the consequence to this, okay? So let's see. And we crashed.
Oh God! No.
So no gear whatsoever other than a helmet. Too much risk, no reward. Didn't try to mitigate anything.
Oh!
Hopefully he's fine. I don't like seeing people hurt, but that was a huge mistake we need to learn from. All right, here we go. Having some fun on the dirt. Having some fun in the dirt. Oh, what's this? Okay, what about this? Apply the brakes, apply the brakes.
I forgot.
That could have been dangerous. Good job with the progressive braking. Ride fast, don't die. Okay. Woo! Get back on the road, 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 get back on the road.
Are you good?
Slowly brake in that situation. Slowly brake.
I was coming over here to do a wheelie.
Slowly brake. This guy over here is. All right, red Beamer. Okay, that was a stop sign. Oh, we're stopping. Whew. Oh, that guy was stopping. We're not stopping. So that's just poor communication. Rigoberto G. Oh, we're gonna have some gravel. We're going a little too wide. There it is. Make sure you guys plan your ride a little bit better, okay? Plan your ride. Remember also to do slow look, press, and roll. We want to slow down. We want to look. We want to press. And we want to roll, okay? You learned that in the MSF, but we talk a little bit more about that in our own academy, the MTC Rider Academy. It's only $4.99 versus, how much is the MSF? It's like $200-300. Some places it's free, but yeah, like $200-300, huh? Yep. John, here we go, going through here. A little bouncy, having some fun. Ooh, a little bit more bouncies, a little bit more bouncies, a little bit more bouncies. Oh no. So sometimes when in doubt, you throttle out. Not in this situation. Yeah, check your junk. Check your junk.
Hold mine. I can't. Just drop it for a second. Just put mine on kickstand.
Remain calm. Ensure your own safety. Stop major bleeds out of your pee-pee. That bike is destroyed. It looks like that bike is destroyed. Yeah, that hurts.
You actually okay?
Get yourself a rescue pack just in case we do have any major bleeds.